So a super common question we get as a dumpster delivery service is, will your dumpsters damage my driveway? So I want to go into a bit of an explanation of what we do to protect your driveway and make sure that doesn't happen. We're going to go out to Tyler, who is the one who often is out delivering dumpsters.
So the first step that I take as a precaution is I would always look up on Google Maps the address and see the most feasible spot. If there's a big enough driveway, we always try to go for a driveway. When dropping off a container, I always first touch base with the customer, and their biggest concern is, will it damage my driveway? My answer is always, we try our best to not. We always put down 2x6s underneath every single dumpster to prevent any damage to your property, your driveway, your grass. So then I kind of keep in mind of where I place these boards. So I always place it right at the foot. This is to prevent any damage to the driveway as the container's coming down. Logistics technicians and drivers, so we do a decent enough job to keep it on the boards. Watching our mirrors, knowing where we're at all times, where the container is. Our favorite spots to drop and deliver containers are driveways. It's the most easy accessible spot for the crew. If we have to drop it anywhere near, it'll be on the side street next to your driveway, as close to your house as possible. Personally, for me, when I'm delivering a dumpster, I tend to take extra precaution. I don't just put down one 2x4, 2x6 underneath. I always put down the one that initially rolls off, and I lay another one in front of it, so I'm rolling onto 2x6s the entire time. That way it's not touching your driveway, there's no damage occurring. It just makes it's a simpler process for us to ensure that there is no damage, and that Joyland takes those precautions in teaching their staff and their employees on how to not damage property.